of a red carpet. Niggas who start shit, get your heart hit. Hardest nigga alive in the West is us. Neck is crushed, the vest is fuck. Nigga, what's up? Ice bling like baby. Niggas in the club shady. Jack a Mac, your old lady. This way, this bay, hold 380s at your waistline. Next time you pay me. Raw spitter, y'all niggas ain't ready. Buzz speed past niggas, call me Mario Andretti. Getting head in a 6'4" Chevy, bumping Mac Drake, dipping, throwing W's ready. Full action, pants sagging, Nike matching, nigga my white tee fashion. Stay on the low, bay about to blow. Balance, yeah, you know.
What's up? Don't put 'em down. My G, what's up? Live. Put 'em up. Put 'em up. I'm on my grind all day and night. I can't stop till my baby's right. My G, what's up? My G, what's up? Don't put 'em down.
That's the truth. Ever since I was a youth, no excuse. When I step up in the booth, since 16, flow eat through spit screen. So fresh, so crisp like Listerine. Track Listerine, when I bust on it, kinda like a nut, then a bitch scream. Serve rap like coke fiends, toss green like salad, money wash clean. See the bling off the watch. It's Thanksgiving, how I'm heating up the pot. Album drop, now you beating up the block. It's a stick up, nigga, now you throwing up the rock. No props, I'm a